Welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Flappy Bird game, part 7, I think so. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, and today we have part 7. As you remember, we made this cloud variable called highest score. We are gonna mix it up with the score. So we even want the score to change. So remember that we have set score to 0 and set score counter to 1000. Both of them has to be involved. Now typically we changed it when it touches that color, then we have to change our score for counter by 1. But we even want to change our score if you want to make a highest score. Uh, our score by 1 whenever it touching score line. Okay. The score for counter is kind of weird, so I'll just rename it. Score for score counter. Yeah, it's kind of big, I know. Alright, we did this till now. So now let's begin with the other code. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. So let's begin with the code. We can either make a list called highest score. Oh, sorry. Score. If you want, you can do it, but I really don't like it. Highest score. We only have one, but we even have to use usernames and all, so we have to decode, encode, decode, encode, whatever. So let's. I don't choose to do that. So I'm just outing this guy. Let's delete this. So let's make a code where, as you can see, our score and our score for counter will also change at the same time. But the small problem is our highest score is not changing. So in the highest score, as it's a cloud variable, you don't have to set it to 0. What we want to do is set, no. We even have to bring another when flag click. So let's quickly do that. When flag clicked, oh my god, I wasted a lot. It should forever loop if then just set highest score to score. So in the if then, we are gonna add greater than sign. If then our score is greater than our highest score, means it's like if my score variable was highest score was 5, but the person who was playing his score is 10, then the highest score will automatically transform to 10 as we're saying set. So that's what it is for. I'll arrange this properly. I'll just do. So yeah, that was the highest score changing done in 3 minutes. One thing I'll have to say, let's quickly make a variable. Now, we have to test it. I forgot to test it. Alright, highest score is 1, 2, 3. Oh, now you can recognize that our highest score remains 3 and the score remains 0. Now if we gain 1, our highest score is not gonna be 1. If it should be greater than our score, which is 3. Now our highest score is changing to 4. So that's what our code was in just 4 minutes. Now I think so I should make a little part of the retry button and the play button. So to do that, let's make a new sprite and add in what is this? This, I guess, yeah. This is just the start button. Okay. These all should hide when flag click. All of these should hide and do nothing. I don't think so I should do it in this spot, but I'll just make a play button. Means like I'm just gonna make a instructions, not play button rather. Instructions. I have the sprite of instructions. You can find it in the links description box below in my project assets project. Remember this should be in the center. Yeah. Okay. Get ready? What is get ready? Alright, this thing is get ready. Alright. Um what we want to do is when flag click, show. When flag click, where is when flag click? Yeah. So we want it to show when the flag is clicked. So let's quickly do that. We added the show. Uh, it should wait for about some seconds and then hide automatically. Wait for about 5 seconds and then it's automatically gonna hide. And then in the bird also, we added wait 1 second before the code starts. We just have to change that into 5. So let's hide those all variables. I'm gonna make something else to show the score. Alright, 1 minute. Go to that area. Oh, sorry. The poles are like continuously moving. So to prevent that, we can again add wait 5 seconds. And then over here also we can add then, yeah. So that's it. And even the ground, we even have to add wait 5 seconds in both of them. 1 minute. Just have to add wait 5 seconds before the clone, before it does the clone. So wait 5 seconds. And the score line, we just have to do the same before, after the hide. No, after the back layer, we just even have to add wait 1 second. And yeah, now you can see in 5. Why isn't the ground going in 0, 0? Oh, sorry. Oh, metaphors. Oh, sorry. Just put the clone below the wait 5 seconds. Put the X to above. Now you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh, what the? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it works. Oh, 5. Yeah. So it worked. Let's see. I saw something flying right there. Yes. Wait, what? Oh, that flying. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. As you can see, the score line is flying right there as you get an additional point. So to prevent that, what did I add over here? The score line, it's waiting. Oh, it's waiting 1 second. That's why. We just have to add it 5. Yeah. Now it's gonna work. Now it works. So now you can see there's no flying score line actually. Yeah, perfect. I thought of making today's video a little short because today I don't have a lot of time. So next, what do we want to do? We want the pipe which is there. It should, I think so. We should make a. We should put that sprite in our project's asset, and then I'll end the video. So yeah, I know today is a short. Okay, if you want proof, I have all the sprites that I used in the assets project. Links in the description box below. Do check it out. Bye bye.